Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau. In this video, we talk about how to use the drop-down list the dynamic way. So, in last video, we talked about how to use the unique function, right? So the unique function will give you a list of unique value, and it's dynamic because as I add a new item, the unique will immediately give me the unique list in this region, right? So gone is the day to manually create the unique items. Okay. So now with this unique item, if we still use back the old method of creating a drop-down list, I show you what is that, right? Is that you see here, and then here seems like not different, right? But let me just show you what is the different. So let's say I have less item here. Let's say I just put there here as a vest or so. So here is 3 item, right? And here we have 3 item, yes, but we still have 2 more items there, which is not needed to be here. Here is exactly showing the 3 items, right? So the old way is old way, right? So you can learn it on another video. Now let me just show you how to do this very simple, right? So I just I choose a cell. I go to data tab. I choose data validation, and over here I choose a list. Here in the source, I click on the first cell in that dynamic list, right? And the next thing is a hash key, and click OK. And that's it. You're done. Okay. So now if I just add one more item, and here we have 4 items. So let's see here. Whoa, look at that. You just added a middle. Right. Gone are those days writing a very complex functions to create a dynamic list, right? No longer is the issue, right? So Excel 365 and above, right, has this feature and more to come. And let's move on. The next one is called filter. It's also very dynamic, right? For example, here, if I just change it to west, okay, let's just put it west. So you see the list has just changed here, right? Now, as soon as I just change it to west, it will also reflect the change, right? Pretty fast, right? So how do we do that, right? We create so we can copy the table header into here, and let me just delete this. And I want to know what is the table name here, right? Just like previous video. So this is called table sales 6, yeah. So we just got it table 6 sales 6, and we just type with filter, and then the table is called table sales 6, comma, and table sales 6 square bracket, and we look at the region. So it must be equal to a value, right? So you can just type in west. Okay, you can see it works, yeah. And we also can provide a region when there is no result. We type in the no result. Now what does it mean no result is that when we provide a value which is not in the list. Okay, here is not yet changed, right? Let's just change this here to here. Click OK. You see no result because there's no region called middle, right? So it's a better way to region select is that you use the data set of option that you learn, and you create a list, right? But I cannot use a list yet because I have not created the unique list somewhere here, right? So we can create a unique list. Table 6 square bracket region tab. You press the tab key to complete this, and okay, that is the list, right? So now we're done with this. Now go to data validation, go to list, and here click on the first cell, and you type in a hash key. That's right, a hash key. Click OK. And now I will be very safe that when I choose item, I will not be able to have wrong things to happen. So it won't be a no message. So if you like, right, here is no longer the issue. So you don't really need to have this, right? If you combine with the drop down list, you don't have that possibility to appear anymore. So in lean concept, right, you remove those things that is not necessary as much as possible. Keep only the minimum. Okay, next one is that I'll talk about the count if function, and also how do you do can you do on the different worksheet, right? Yes, obviously you can see you can. And also how to do a filter with multiple columns, right? So it's not only just the region but also the product. I'll talk about this in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching. Right, in this video you learn how to use data validation, okay, a dynamic drop down list, right, and how to create a filter list, right, very fast with the latest data to filter, and how to use the link concept to minimize the non-necessary step, right, thereby improve your efficiency. And thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus love you.